and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet flower pattern. It is made with these three colors combination, and this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3mm hook, and we will start our work with a magic ring. We will first chain 1, then go into the ring and work 1 single crochet. Then we will go into the first loop of this single crochet. So this is the first loop and this is the second one, and we will go here into the first one and work another single crochet. And this combination of stitches will count as our first double crochet for this first round. Next we will continue to make 1 double crochet. For this we have to yarn over once, go into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through and make a loop. Grab the yarn and pull it through the first 2 loops, and again grab the yarn and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And here we have our second double crochet. The first one is this combination of stitches and the second one is worked as usual. We will continue to work only double crochets on this first round until we reach 12. So we have now 3 double crochets including this first combination, and we will meet after we complete the 12 double crochets. I have completed all my double crochets. It is now time to close the ring, and we will do this by pulling the yarn and next we will join the work, and for this we will go with our hook from the back of the work into this first stitch, grab this last stitch and slip stitch, chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn and join the next one, the next color. We can start our second round from any of these stitches, and with our second color we will first make a slip knot, and we will start from any of these 12 stitches, and we will make first 1 double crochet. For this we have to yarn over once, place the finger like this in order to keep both loops on our hook, and go into one of the stitches and make 1 double crochet. We will continue to make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch, and we have now 2, and this will be our repeat for this second round. So this will be an increase round, and by the end of this round we should have a total of 24 double crochets. So we will go into the next stitch and work 2 double crochets in this same stitch. Same into the next one. 1 and 2. And We will continue to work in this way and we will meet here at the end of this round. I am now at the end of this round and it is now time to join the work. For this we will go with our hook into the second stitch from the back of the work and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work and we can cut this yarn and join our last color. With our third color we will first make a slip knot. Then we can start our third round from any of these spaces between two double crochets. So here or here or here, anywhere in these spaces. So we will work in these spaces and not in the stitches. And we will start with one single crochet. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will skip the next space and work into the second one the same. So this will be our repeat for this third round. We will make here one single crochet and next chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and again skip the next space and into the second one work one single crochet, chain 4 again, and again skip this one and go into the second one and work one single crochet. And we will continue with this repeat. We have completed it 1, 2, 3 times and we will do it 9 times, 9 more times. So we have in total 12 repeats and we will meet here at the end of this round. I am now at the end of this third round and now we will join the work by going into the back loop of this first stitch and slip stitch. And we will start at this point our fourth round. We will first chain 1, then we will go into this next chain 4 space and we will start working on our first petal of the flower. I will also carry this yarn with me in the back of the work in order to hide it. And we will work in this chain 4 space. First one single crochet, then we will work in this first loop another single crochet, and this combination of stitches counts as our double crochet, first double crochet for this last round. We will continue to make 4 more double crochets, so we have in total 5 double crochets in this chain 4 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, we will look for the stitch corresponding to these 2 double crochets from below. So this is the one from the first round. So this will be our first petal. So the 2 double crochets corresponding to this first petal are these ones, and the single double crochet from the first round corresponding to this petal is this one. and we will go through this stitch and we will work one triple double crochet. For this we will yarn over 3 times and we will go through this double crochet from the first round. Grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, and we now have 5 loops on our hook. We will go and grab the yarn through the first 2 loops first, through the next 2, so 1, 2, 3, and 4 times through 2 loops, so through pairs of 2 loops. And this will be our repeat for this last round. Let's do this repeat one more time, and we will go into the next chain 4 space, and here we will work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And next we will go through this next double crochet and work the second triple double crochet in the same way. Once, twice, the third time, and the fourth time. In this way we have completed our second repeat. So we have here our first petal, the second one. Let's do another one together one more time. So into the next chain 4 space we will work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And again we will go and work 1 triple crochet in this next double crochet from the first round. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have completed our third repeat for this round, and we will continue to make these repeats 9 more times. So in each of these spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in total we have 12 because we should have 12 petals. And we will meet here at the end of this round. I am now at the end of this last round, and we will join the work now. We will go with our hook from the back of the work into this first stitch and slip stitch this last stitch, chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn. And this is our final project. This is our final flower. We have 12 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. And this is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!